with Parul from Mission. Hi, Parul.
Hi.
Can you tell me what kind of verticals are you running at this affiliate network?
So actually we have it right here. We are a global company. We started with India and there we do lead gen and e-commerce the most. Then we moved to global market where we do e-commerce, travel, hosting and software. We've just launched lead gen and pay-per-call in the US last year, so it's right here.
Wow. Nice background.
Yeah, we just made good use of it.
Congratulations. Can you tell me, I don't know, what kind of traffic is most popular for this offer right now in your network?
So in our network, the most popular traffic is media buying. We work with a lot of media buyers across the globe on Google, Meta, and we also work with websites, coupon, cashback, blogs, reviews.
Okay, thank you. And how do you filter the affiliates? I know about brands complaining about, I don't know, wrong affiliates, I would say. How do you filter that in your network, in your company?
So we do have a lot of established affiliates that have been working with us for a long time now. We try to open new big brand campaigns only to them. For new affiliates that are signing up, we have a rather stringent approval process where they sign up, verify their mobile number, and then our team contacts them through phone, Skype or email, and we verify their promotion methods, run them with small caps before they can actually become big affiliates on vCommission.
Wow, that's a full procedure there. How important is tracking for you as an affiliate network and for your media buyers?
Tracking is very important for an affiliate network because whatever an affiliate is sending your way, it's very important for it to generate the right amount of money so that they can sustain that traffic and also continue working with us. So we at vCommission, we've always believed that tracking is the key to an affiliate network, and that is the most powerful tool that we have at hand. It may be a third-party company, but how we configure an offer to make sure that an advertiser is getting what they want and an affiliate is also getting what they want, all the metrics in place, that's the key game changer for an affiliate network.
And for your customers, how important do you think it is for them to have good tracking? I mean, from their perspective.
So for some it is very important and they invest in technology, but for some it's not. So that's when they can use our tracking platform as well. But honestly, universally, advertisers, I feel, don't pay enough attention to tracking, which they should.
That's for performance marketing. I mean, if you want performance, you need to know.
Yeah.
Can you tell me one advice for an affiliate starting now in media buying, in affiliate marketing? What's your top advice?
For affiliates that are starting now, my top advice would be choose your vertical and choose your network very wisely. Mostly the biggest mistake that new affiliates make is just choosing the highest payout, and it might not mean the highest EPC for them. So the biggest advice would be choose wisely so that you don't suffer after 2 months and don't realize after 2 months, and you really know where you're sending your traffic.
Thank you. And where can people get in touch with you?
Anytime. I'm always available, mostly at events, but I'm also very accessible on LinkedIn, Instagram, Skype. Just find me and I always reply. I must tell you that I always reply.
That's great. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.